extremely high winds in Pune. Can you see that air passing through? That's actually winds. Just outside my balcony, extremely high winds. If you can see that air passing through, that's literally water and wind passing. So the atmosphere is gone crazy, like extremely high speed. I have not seen anything like this. That's water passing through, if you can see there. So mad. Things are going crazy. Trees are flying only. Whoa. Extremely high speed.